Good morning everyone, how's it going? Kicking off another video, updating the current market scenario, the previous movements we've had, and the possible next movements we might see. We had a Bitcoin that yesterday made a liquidity sweep, a movement we were already expecting. Yesterday approximately 1 billion was liquidated in the market, meaning 1 billion was lost by retail traders. And we managed to get a good position, a position that was shared in the VIP group in Bitcoin. We saw a buying opportunity in the range of 90,340 and the buy was filled yesterday quite precisely, actually without much exposure to risk. The price didn't swing negatively for our trade, so what can we see in Bitcoin now? As Bitcoin also captured a lot of liquidity above those regions, the price is likely going to have a bit of difficulty breaking the previous top, sweeping that external liquidity. So what we can see is that the price might accumulate here between 96,000 to 99, even up to 101,000. Since Bitcoin also captured a lot of liquidity above those regions, the price is likely going to have a bit of difficulty breaking the previous top, sweeping that external liquidity. So what we can see is that the price is accumulating here between 96,000 to 99, even up to 101,000 to 99, even up to 101,000, 99 to 101k. That's right, the market is going to decide whether it's going to sweep the liquidity at the bottom to break the top, or if it's going to sweep the liquidity at the top to break the bottom. The valid bottom for us right now is this bottom here, in the region of 90,000, 90,200. So if the price breaks this bottom of 90,000, then we might see the market wanting to sweep liquidity below that external liquidity in the region of 85,000. So we could indeed see the price trying to even mitigate that order block in this demand zone we have back here, where buyers and sellers were fighting, which is in the region of 82,000 to 78. If the price changes character, starting a downward movement, initiating a flow of decline, we might see that liquidity sweep in the region of 85,000 to mitigate the area between 82 and 78. So far, we're holding our position and we've already made a partial exit, with the price having moved about 12%, roughly 13%. It's not about 13%. And Bitcoin is likely going to slow down now, and its dominance is falling, so the capital that's in Bitcoin is being distributed to some altcoins. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is as follows. We even did some previous readings, but the price didn't mitigate the OTT region. The price swept liquidity, but didn't make the move to the discount zone. The interesting movement would be in the OTT region, which is between 62 and 79 on the Fibonacci scale. So the price swept the liquidity, broke the structure, and validated our range. The price swept the liquidity of that bottom again, but it didn't mitigate our optimal zone and has already broken the structure again. After this structure break, the price swept the liquidity of that little bottom and mitigated the optimal zone. Looking at the 1 hour chart, what do we have? We have the sweep of that liquidity, those bottoms. Broke the structure, meaning it validated our range. And the price left here what we call a flip. What would flip be? It would be the last interaction between buyers and sellers before breaking the structure. So we can set up a possible position here in Ethereum between 3,892 and 3,835, a potential long up. If the price decides to sweep the liquidity of that bottom that was left, breaking the peak in flip, we could see the price targeting the optimal region, the optimal area of the 4 hour range, which would be from this bottom to this top. Then we would have mitigation in the region of 3,686 to about 3,700